Welcome to Clearly English, the podcast where we help you speak English with confidence. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex.
Today, we are practicing workplace English. Simple, natural, polite phrases you can use every day at work. And we are going to practice them together right now. Before we get started, if you are enjoying Clearly English, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new lesson. And later in this episode, you are going to practice a full workplace conversation completely on your own. So stay with us. So, Alex, how do you feel about speaking English at work?
Honestly, it makes me nervous. I understand most of what people say to me at work, but when I need to respond, especially to my manager or in a meeting, I just give really short answers or I avoid speaking altogether. I don't want to sound unprofessional or say something wrong.
And that feeling is so common. But here's what I want you to understand. Workplace English does not need to be complicated. You do not need advanced business vocabulary. You do not need perfect grammar. You just need simple, clear, polite English. And that is exactly what we are going to practice today. Simple phrases that work in real workplaces for real people. Let's get into it.
I'm ready.
Round 1. Greetings and daily work small talk. This is the English you use every morning when you arrive at work, pass a coworker in the hallway, or sit down at your desk near someone. It is short, friendly, and easy. Alex, repeat after me. Good morning.
Good morning.
How's your day going?
How's your day going?
Pretty good, just busy.
Pretty good, just busy.
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
Do you have a busy day today?
Do you have a busy day today?
I have a lot to do today.
I have a lot to do today.
Good. Now let's use those in a short conversation. Imagine you arrive at the office and you see your coworker. Alex, you start.
Good morning. How's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks. Just getting started. Do you have a busy day today?
Yeah, I have a lot to do. I have a meeting this afternoon and a report to finish.
Same here. Well, good luck with everything.
Thanks. You too.
Perfect. Short, natural, friendly. That is morning small talk. And everyone listening, say those phrases out loud. Good morning. How's your day going? Pretty good, just busy. How was your weekend? Do you have a busy day today? I have a lot to do today. Say them. Those are your round 1 phrases. Now let's do a quick check. Can you answer this question out loud right now? How's your day going?
It's going pretty well. A little busy, but good.
Good. Your turn, everyone. Say your answer out loud. How's your day going? Take a moment and answer. Say it. Now let's move forward. Round 2. Talking about your work. This is how you describe what you are doing when someone asks. Alex, how would you describe your work tasks in simple English?
I would say I'm working on a report, or I have a meeting this afternoon.
Perfect. Let's practice more. Repeat after me. I'm working on a report.
I'm working on a report.
I'm finishing a project.
I'm finishing a project.
I have a meeting this afternoon.
I have a meeting this afternoon.
I need to send an email.
I need to send an email.
I'm almost done.
I'm almost done.
I'm still working on it.
I'm still working on it.
Good. Now let's practice answering a real workplace question. Alex, your manager comes to your desk and asks, "What are you working on today?" Answer naturally.
I'm working on the monthly report. I'm almost done with the first part.
Perfect. Natural, clear, professional. And here is something important. You do not need to give a long explanation. A short, clear answer is always better than a complicated one. Now, everyone, answer this out loud. What are you working on today? Take a moment, say your answer. Use one of the phrases we just practiced. I'm working on, I'm finishing, I have a meeting, I need to send. Say it out loud. Good. Round 2, phrases. I'm working on a report. I'm finishing a project. I have a meeting this afternoon. I need to send an email. I'm almost done. I'm still working on it. These are your task phrases. Use them every day.
They feel really natural, like things people actually say at work.
Because they are. Now, round 3, asking for help. This is something every professional does. Asking for help is not a sign of weakness. It is normal and it is professional. But in English, how you ask matters. Polite questions get better responses. Alex, repeat after me. Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
Could you explain that again?
Could you explain that again?
I'm not sure I understand.
I'm not sure I understand.
Can I ask you a quick question?
Can I ask you a quick question?
Could you show me how to do this?
Could you show me how to do this?
Thank you, that helps a lot.
Thank you, that helps a lot.
Good. Now let's practice a short dialogue. You need help with a task, and you approach a coworker. Alex, you ask for help.
Hey, can I ask you a quick question?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm not sure I understand how to use this system. Could you show me how to do this?
Sure, no problem. So you click here first, and then you select this option.
Got it. Thank you, that helps a lot.
Anytime. Let me know if you need anything else. Perfect. Short, polite, professional. And here is something I want everyone to notice. Alex used 3 different phrases in that short conversation. Can I ask you a quick question? I'm not sure I understand. Could you show me? And it sounded completely natural. Now, everyone listening, practice saying this out loud. Can you help me with this? Could you explain that again? I'm not sure I understand. Can I ask you a quick question? Say them. Round 3, done. Let's keep going. Round 4, giving updates. This is one of the most important skills in workplace English. Your manager asks how a project is going. A coworker asks if something is ready. You need to give a clear, simple update. Alex, repeat after me. I finished the first part.
I finished the first part.
I'm still working on the second part.
I'm still working on the second part.
I'll send it to you later today.
I'll send it to you later today.
I need a little more time.
I need a little more time.
There is one problem I need to check.
There is one problem I need to check.
I'll let you know when it's ready.
I'll let you know when it's ready.
Good. Now let's practice giving an update to a manager. Your manager asks, "Can you give me a quick update on the report?" Alex, answer naturally.
Yes, of course. I finished the first part this morning. I'm still working on the second part. I'll send it to you later today.
Perfect. Clear, confident, professional. And notice how short that was. 3 simple sentences. That is all you need for a good workplace update. Everyone, answer this out loud. Can you give me a quick update? Take a moment. Use the phrases, I finished, I'm still working on, I'll send it, I need a little more time. Say your answer out loud. Now let's do a quick recap before we move on. In the last few minutes, we practiced 5 groups of phrases: morning greetings, work tasks, asking for help, and giving updates. Let's say the key phrases one more time. Good morning. How's your day going? I'm working on a report. Can you help me with this? I'm not sure I understand. I finished the first part. I'll send it to you later today. I'll let you know when it's ready. Say those out loud. Those are real, useful, daily workplace phrases.
I feel more confident already. Like these phrases are simple enough to remember.
And that is the point. Simple phrases work. Now, round 5, polite, professional responses. These are short phrases you use when someone asks you to do something, gives you information, or makes a request. In professional English, how you respond matters as much as what you say. Alex, repeat after me. Sure, I can do that.
Sure, I can do that.
No problem.
No problem.
I'll take care of it.
I'll take care of it.
That works for me.
That works for me.
Let me check and get back to you.
Let me check and get back to you.
Thanks for letting me know.
Thanks for letting me know.
Perfect. Now let's practice using these. Your manager sends you a message that says, "Can you review this document by 3 o'clock today?" Alex, how do you respond?
Sure, I can do that. I'll take care of it and send it back to you before 3.
Perfect. Your coworker says, "Just so you know, the meeting has been moved to 2 o'clock." Alex, how do you respond?
Thanks for letting me know. That works for me.
Your manager asks you a question and you need a moment to check before answering. What do you say?
Let me check and get back to you. I'll have an answer for you soon.
Excellent. Professional, polite, and clear. Everyone, practice those responses out loud. Sure, I can do that. No problem. I'll take care of it. That works for me. Let me check and get back to you. Thanks for letting me know. Say them. Say them again. Those phrases are powerful because they sound professional and they are very easy to say.
I feel like I could actually use these tomorrow at work.
You can, and you should. Now let's do our mini dialogue practice section. I am going to model some complete workplace conversations with Alex, and I want you to listen carefully, because after each one, you're going to practice it yourself. First dialogue, morning small talk with a coworker. Alex, you arrive at the office. I'm your coworker.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
Pretty good, thanks. A little tired, but good. How about you?
Not bad. Do you have a busy day today?
Yeah, I have a meeting at 10 and then a lot of emails to catch up on. What about you?
I'm working on a project deadline, so it's going to be a busy one, but I'll get it done.
Good luck. Let me know if you need anything.
Thanks. Same to you.
Perfect. Short, warm, professional. Now, everyone listening, practice that conversation out loud. Say Alex's lines. Good morning. How are you doing today? Not bad. Do you have a busy day today? I'm working on a project deadline, so it's going to be a busy one, but I'll get it done. Thanks. Same to you. Say those lines out loud. Second dialogue, asking for help with a task.
Hey, Emma, do you have a minute? I have a quick question.
Of course. What do you need?
I'm working on this report, and I'm not sure I understand the format we're supposed to use. Could you show me an example?
Sure, no problem. Here, look at this one from last month. You can use the same structure.
That's really helpful. Thank you so much.
Anytime. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. I appreciate it.
Now, everyone, practice Alex's lines. Hey, do you have a minute? I have a quick question. I'm working on this report, and I'm not sure I understand the format. Could you show me an example? That's really helpful. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Say those lines. Third dialogue, giving a project update to a manager.
Hi, Emma. Do you have a moment for a quick update on the project?
Yes, go ahead.
So, I finished the research part this morning. I'm still working on the summary section. I think I need a little more time. I'll have everything ready by end of day tomorrow, if that's okay.
That's fine. Thanks for letting me know. Is there anything you need from me?
Not right now, but I'll let you know if anything comes up.
Great. Keep me posted.
Will do.
Perfect. Now, everyone, practice Alex's lines. I finished the research part this morning. I'm still working on the summary section. I need a little more time. I'll have everything ready by end of day tomorrow. Not right now, but I'll let you know if anything comes up. Will do. Say those lines. Now, let's move to our natural English upgrade section, because sometimes learners know what they want to say, but the way they say it sounds a little basic, and with just a small change, it can sound much more natural. Alex, I'm going to give you a basic version, and I want you to say the natural version.
Okay, ready.
Basic. I do report.
Natural. I'm working on a report.
Good. Basic. I don't understand.
Natural. I'm not sure I understand. Could you explain that again?
Perfect. Basic. I send later.
Natural. I'll send it to you later today.
Good. Basic. I finish soon.
Natural. I'll be done soon. I'll let you know when it's ready.
Excellent. Basic. I need help.
Natural. Can you help me with this? Or could you show me how to do this?
Perfect. And everyone listening, that upgrade is so important. You don't need more vocabulary, you just need a slightly more complete sentence. I'm working on. I'll send it to you. I'll let you know when it's ready. Could you help me with this? These small changes make a big difference in how professional you sound. Now, our final challenge. This is the moment you have been working toward, a complete workplace conversation on your own. Emma is going to ask questions, and Alex will model the first answer. Then, Emma will ask again, and you, a listener, will answer out loud. Ready, Alex?
Ready.
How's your day going?
Pretty good, just a little busy. I have a lot to finish today.
Good. Now you answer out loud. How's your day going? Take a moment and say it.
And add one small detail, just like I did.
Good. What are you working on today?
I'm working on a report. I'm almost done with the first section.
Now you answer. What are you working on today? Say it out loud.
Use the phrases I'm working on, I'm finishing, I have a meeting this afternoon, I need to send.
Great. Can you give me a quick update?
Sure, I finished the main part this morning. I'm still working on the final section. I'll have it ready by the end of the day.
Now you answer. Can you give me a quick update? Say it out loud.
Use finished, still working on, and I'll have it ready.
Good. Do you need any help with anything?
Not right now, thank you, but I'll let you know if anything comes up.
Now you answer. Do you need any help with anything? Say it.
And if you do need help, practice asking, can you help me with this? Could you explain that? I'm not sure I understand. Can I ask you a quick question? Could you show me how to do this?
And one more. When can you send the document?
I'll send it to you later today. I'll have it done by 3 o'clock.
Now you answer. When can you send it? Say it out loud.
Use I'll send it, I'll have it ready, I'll let you know.
You just completed a full workplace conversation in English, and you did it with simple, clear, natural phrases. Now let's do our final recap. Here are the most useful workplace phrases from today. For greetings, good morning. How's your day going? Pretty good, just busy. How was your weekend? I have a lot to do today. For tasks, I'm working on a report. I'm finishing a project. I have a meeting this afternoon. I'm almost done. I'm still working on it. For asking for help, can you help me with this? Could you explain that again? I'm not sure I understand. Can I ask you a quick question? Could you show me how to do this? For updates, I finished the first part. I'm still working on the second part. I'll send it to you later today. I need a little more time. I'll let you know when it's ready. For polite responses, sure, I can do that. No problem, I'll take care of it. That works for me. Let me check and get back to you. Thanks for letting me know.
That is a really complete set of phrases, and they cover almost everything you need for a normal workday.
They really do. And here is what I want you to remember. Workplace English does not need to be perfect. It needs to be clear, polite, and useful. And every single phrase we practiced today is all three of those things. You do not need to sound like a native speaker. You need to sound like a professional who communicates clearly. And you can do that with simple English.
I feel so much more ready for work conversations now. Like I have real phrases I can use tomorrow morning.
You do. And that is the goal, not just to feel inspired, but to have real tools you can use in real situations. So here's your homework. Tomorrow at work, use at least 3 phrases from today. Maybe, good morning, and how's your day going with a coworker? Maybe, I'm working on blank when someone asks what you're doing. Maybe, I'll send it to you later today when someone needs a document. Just 3 phrases. Real situations, and notice how it feels to use them.
3 phrases. That's completely doable.
It is, and those 3 phrases will build your confidence, and that confidence will lead to more phrases, and more phrases will lead to more conversations, and more conversations will lead to real, natural workplace English. Thank you so much for joining us today on Clearly English. If this episode was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new lesson. And please leave a comment below with one workplace sentence you want to practice. Maybe, I'm working on blank, or can you help me with blank, or I'll send it to you blank. Write your sentence in the comments. Practice it out loud first, and then post it. Your comment is your first real workplace English practice of the day. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep speaking every day. We believe in you. See you next time.
See you next time.